I'd like to say I'll start by giving thanks to the Creator for bringing you down to Ghana safely. While you were on the plane, I had to pray for safe journey.
Thank you, Gashe.
All right. My name is my African name is Edoho Boto. Edoho, which means from my background means gods of the land. That's a southern part of Nigeria. Yeah, where we have related tourist attraction centers. That's in case any of you are interested in going down to Nigeria. Well, it's not all about you heard from the media about Nigeria. But Nigeria is also very peaceful. Yeah, and very, very interesting to visit, especially in the southern part. Because we have the story about the slave trade in Lagos, where the slaves were being transported to the Cape Coast before being taken down to an unknown destination. All right, that's it for my introduction. Okay, I studied management information system in the University of Ghana here. So while in school, I have to run into your brother. We call him Master Bomani.
Master of B.
Yeah. So he made all this work. He made it possible for me to be able to meet with Raz, meet with Saz, meet with Sister Baby, and all of it. I would like to say when Word told me he was coming, well, I didn't believe that he is gonna come back, because that's what the brothers and the sister usually say.
Yeah.
I'll come back next year, but they never show up. So I'm really glad to see Sass, Baby, Sharing, right? But he didn't come with his baby, a very good friend of mine. So I'd like to say a very big welcome for having you be with us. So back to myself. I'm a very positive kind of person. Irrespective of my challenges, I still move ahead to achieve my goals.
Yeah.
So I'm here to make your journey very interesting, because that's what we're here for. We've done it a year ago, a year after, this is getting to 10 years, Bomani.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we see looking forward to make the journey very interesting. And this is just the beginning anyway. I'd like to thank our first timers for the nightlife hanging yesterday.
Yeah.
But Sass, you could tell them what they missed.
Yeah.
2 days. Yeah, okay.
I don't know what it is. You gotta get it rest.
Okay. Well, we just started. Yeah. So what I like to say is maybe you try one night in every region.
Yes.
So that you have an experience.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you have to. Yes. You have to, because by the time I'm done with you, you.
Did he ask you?
No, he did. No, he did. Yeah, we on this space.
Okay, that's all. But I have to say, she's like a mother to me. The first time, it's my second time of having her in the tour. She keeps telling me that she wanna come back because of the energy she absorbed from the group, and she really loves it. And she would like to come back. So I'm very happy for having you here with us. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hey, look, one thing about the little fashion flavor. One thing about the little fashion flavor of our brother is obvious, it's visual. Now the slippers that you were wearing yesterday, the velvet slippers, with the G Yamisima.
Oh, God,
the
that was
Yami
so bad.
on them.
G
God
Yami.
first. I fear none but God. Those were banging.
Banging.
So, do you like fashion or do you just shop? I mean, what inspired the shoes? You tell everything about the man about shoes.
Oh, thank you, Sister Sass. You know, one thing I like to say is looking good is great business. And my dad let me understand one thing. Like you are dressed the way you dress. Yeah. People are always gonna address you the way you look.
That's true.
Then you attract more attention to that. But I love fashion.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. Well, I inherited that from my daddy, my late dad.
Talk about it. Talk about the family. You have brothers and sisters.
Yeah. I was born into a family of 3. I'm the second son to my mother, and she's in Nigeria. Yeah, she has always been a source of support to my success, and I pray that God continue to give her long life and strength to move on. So I'm just here on my own to make a living, to make things work for me. So have I answered the question, sir?
Yeah. Again, you know, we're a family. And it's no coincidence this brother carrying the name of Righteous.
Yes.
Righteous. And I've had the pleasure of being with Righteous, much like the staff, and coming the first time. So, again, this is the 4th time I get to be with him over a 5-year period of time.
Yeah.
5-year period of time. And so I really appreciate him. We're Facebook friends and that, but he just really takes good care of us. We met and he helps us with the technology. He does everything he can to serve as a elder. He treats me with such respect. He's like my son, brother. And I just really appreciate all that you are being and becoming Righteous. And I really appreciate your steadfastness and sticking with Bomani and being committed to making this journal everything it can be. I know your mom and family is very proud of you. We are as well. I just wanted to acknowledge you. You're a bright light, and we just love you, bro.
Please, before I go, one more thing. Just here to assist you, make your journey very interesting. So in case you have any problem, any challenge that you think you'll be able to share with me so that we can come up with a solution, please don't hesitate to approach me for any problem. All right? Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Righteous. No, seriously.